Alright, so guys, on the side of the trouser like this, I'm going to add the design that we used to design the shirt, the different fabric. The green fabric that we used to design the shirt, I'm going to add it a straight line on this side part to the end part, right? So this is how I measured it. I measured it like this. The length of this design or this material is the trouser length, that is 31 inches, so let's say like 30. So I cutted it the width to be 2 inches or almost 2 inches, right? And I folded this part here like this, and I folded this part here like this. You understand? Fold the side by side, and to get the remaining, to make it like almost 1 inch, or let's say like 1 inch, right, to use for it. So to do it, this is how you're gonna do it. You're gonna iron this place. It was like this, you understand? So you gotta iron it to make it come this place, right? So that we're gonna start stitching it from this place. When you finish stitching it from this side, then we iron it back to this place and to come and stitch this the next side. You understand? So let's get it started. They come. All right, so you are gonna put it here. We are putting it here, right? Just like I said, we are gonna do it. So we put it here, then we stitch it from the top to the down part. That's what the way I'm seeing it, and you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. That's what it. Let's get it. So guys, have you seen what I'm doing, how I'm stitching it? Don't make it stitch on where it's going to be stitched. You know, understand? Stitch it according to, look at the line here. Don't make it go this side. Don't make the thread go this side. Make it stitch straight on the design fabric to the end part. I'm only showing you this side, and I will show you the other side too, right? When you are stitching the other side, this part, right? So this is that you measure it 2 inches, and the actual length, you cut it what the trouser length, that is 31 inches, or any trouser length that you are doing, you understand? Then you make it like, you fold the side by side to make it like 1 inch or almost 1 inch. Then you do it, and you're gonna be good. You're gonna be good with what you're doing. After doing this way, I'm gonna turn it and iron where I showed you that we are gonna fold it like this way. You know, I've done stitching this way. You understand? Can you see it's left with this part, right? So I'm gonna iron it, go this part. I'm gonna iron this one, go this part, so that all through to the down part, so that we can stitch the other side, right? Good. So guys, can you see we have ironed this place to make it go like this? So we are going to stitch the other part, the other side, to get to the finish line of the design. You understand? Sideways design. You understand? So like, comment, and share. You understand? Subscribe, follow now for more more sewing. Gonna bring you back to back. These are just comedies. This fabric is not quality, so it's not trending my videos for me. I'm gonna bring you quality fabric, so that is gonna blow your mind. So just subscribe, just follow. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so guys, I am done stitching this like this. So I'm gonna iron it. I'm gonna show you the results of it. beautiful. All right, so guys, can you see now we have done stitching the design on the side of the trouser. It's looking stunning, right? So like, subscribe, follow, share this video for the next, for more tutorial videos. Love you all. Bye bye.